Check this out. But in the meantime, it looks like this is all finished. Whatever we got. Oh wow, these are those really nice like little cabanas, whatever.
Cabanas along the.
I bet that's what that is. Boy, this is nice.
Yeah, there's a pool of Filipina.
Like an infinity pool, maybe. Hi, how are you, sir? So yeah, they have a dining facility here. Oh, okay. Come on. Thank you. Wow, look at this. So this, okay. Hi, how are you?
Going to check in, sir?
We're just walking around right now.
Would you like me to give you a tour?
Sure, why not? Come on in, babe. Yeah, we have never seen this place. We've lived here for a while now, and
You're from here, sir?
I am, yes, sir. So
This is the newest hotel in Alaminos.
yeah.
This is a 7-story building with 80 rooms.
80.
80.
Nice.
I'll
Very
give you a
nice.
tour. Currently, sir, we have a buffet. If you want to try our buffet, I can show you.
Let's take a look. I want to try to get my wife to come in here if she'll stop being so bashful. Yeah, bring her on. Okay.
The view is better there.
Oh, sure, yeah. This is, I wasn't expecting to see all this. When did we open this up here?
We just opened last April 12. Recent, very recent.
This year?
Just last year. Yes.
Last week. Oh, okay.
April 12 po.
Gotcha.
Last March.
Yes, po. March 15.
Oh, the food looks great. I'm impressed.
This is the front.
Okay.
This is our infinity pool, sir.
Very nice.
Careful.
Okay.
Up here, sir, you can see our soon-to-open gym, but it's not yet open.
Okay, so the gym is going to be right up in there? Okay.
The back part, we will soon have a spa.
Okay. Hello. Nice.
Up there is the jacuzzi.
Oh, man. Isn't this just wonderful? Very nice. So there we are out in the front entranceway.
This is the pool bar.
Okay. The pool bar, the wet bar.
Out
And
of
then
80 rooms, sir, 3 of those are the cabana.
so these are the okay. Cabanas, want to look inside or you don't have to. It's entirely up to you. You lead the way.
Yes, just wait for the key, sir.
Oh, sure, yeah. If you guys want to show off your hotel, I'm more than willing to post it for you guys. Very nice. Okay. Tell us what we're about to enter here. So this is one of the cabanas?
Yes, sir. This is one of the.
Wow, look at that, huh?
This is our villa that is already ready to get to the pool.
Oh, pool access?
Yes.
Look
Pool
at
access.
that.
Our guests usually like to stay here.
Are there hours that you can like, okay, so like if you have this cabana, are there only certain hours that you can be out inside the pool? Like 10 o'clock is
Until 10 p.m.
until 10.
But you can stay here. But by 10 p.m. we already put chemicals so we can clean the pool.
So right. So basically 10, if you have one of these cabanas, you can sit out here, but after 10 p.m. don't go jumping in the pool.
Yes.
So they can clean it up and do their,
Yes. By 7 a.m. in the morning, by 7 in the morning you can already.
I see. Okay. Oh wow, this is pretty slick. It's really nice. So you can sit here and watch TV. Full cable.
Smart TV, sir.
Smart TV.
Netflix and YouTube.
Oh, okay.
And we can do walk in on the pool on my birthday.
bed.
And then you got that. Yeah, check
Take a
that
look
out.
at the comfort room.
Yeah, very nice. And then you got a little bathroom back in here. Yeah, let's be nosy, right?
It's okay.
I'm a chismoso.
You speak Tagalog po.
I wish I was better. I only know some words.
It's an easy language.
You think so?
Yes.
Yeah. Maybe I'll try harder. Try harder to learn more dialogue. Oh, Ilocano is another one.
That's
Do you-
hard. I'm not from
Oh,
here, so
oh, you're not?
I find it hard. That's
No Ilocano for you, right?
I'm from Bicol po. Bicol Alpine.
I was born
Very
in
nice.
Ilocano. Born and raised.
Okay, well this is the cabana,
Yeah.
and it looks very nice.
How about the other rooms?
You want
Absolutely. Okay, we'll go ahead and pause, and then we'll head over there. All right, guys. Okay, he's about to show us another room. I'm not exactly sure which one, but we'll find out soon. Yeah, let's go.
Dito po, pataas, minus 80, minus 3 nasa 70, ano na po? 7. This way, to the right.
Okay.
Because the second floor is fully booked.
Sure.
fully booked.
Wow.
They have 77
Here, this way.
So 80 rooms, and you got 77 of them booked?
Yeah.
Is that what I'm hearing?
To the left, sir, you can see
So-
our viewing deck.
Oh, wow, look at that. Viewing decks. Come out here and get your suntan if you need sun like me. And then we got another kind of bird's eye view of the jacuzzi right below us. And then the infinity pool, the cabanas where we were just at, the gym, which is still in work. I'll hang out in this jacuzzi for sure. Oh, and this would be our home right here. We'd be hanging in here. That's where we would hang out. Let all the kids swim in the pool, and you and I hang out here. Yeah, this is nice. Better start saving. So yeah. So after you finish up with your 100 Islands tour, you can come and hang out here. Good deal.
Deluxe twin sir.
Deluxe twin.
Yes, sir. It has a 2 single bed sir.
Okay. And then do you have deluxe queen also?
Yes, sir. It has 1 queen size bed sir.
I see.
This is the deluxe twin sir.
Hello.
So it has a
So this is a deluxe twin.
yes sir. It has a 2-bed sir.
Oh wow.
Also it has a fridge sir for your goods,
Sure.
and also it has a smart television sir.
Look at that. Yep, got us a little reefer there.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Slippers.
Looks like
Little wardrobe.
mas maganda po.
TV. Yeah. Little table area for your laptop.
And we have 80 rooms sir.
80 rooms.
Yes, sir.
All right. And what do they come in? Standard? What? Supreme, deluxe, or?
We have deluxe, sir. Junior
Junior
suites.
suite,
Suites?
cabana,
Cabana.
and soon sir our mayor suite sir.
Okay.
The biggest.
The biggest room sir.
Or is it suite? Or?
It's, yes, the mayor suite. Just in
Oh,
front
wow.
of the jacuzzi, the one you were saying.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay. All right. So this is the deluxe
Twin.
twin. Deluxe twin. Gotcha. Very cool.
Next room sir.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, let's check it out.
And also this is our
Cover room. Wow, look at that shower, huh?
Yes, sir.
Pretty cool.
It is a modern CR sir.
Yeah, very nice. I haven't done a hotel video in a long time. I've done a lot of them though, from all over the place. Bohol, Palawan, so
Travel.
Cebu.
Travel a lot, sir.
Yeah, we haven't this year yet, but no wait, no. Last time was October. Last October we went to El Nido and Palawan. Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah.
Junior
Okay.
suite, sir. The next to deluxe.
So if you notice, sir, it is high ceiling, sir.
Yeah, this is a little higher. Now, is this still waiting to be finished, or is this the finished?
This is the architectural design, sir.
Is it really? Kind of has that warehouse feel.
Yes.
I like it.
Like modern.
Yeah.
Easier to fix.
You see a lot of restaurants in the United States, a lot of restaurants. You'll walk in and they'll be all open like this, you know,
Oh.
ventilation shafts and pipes and stuff like that, especially like old style pizza places.
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
you'll walk inside and it'll all be like, the ceiling will be just like this. But, yeah, cool. So we just visited the deluxe twin. Now we're gonna go for the
Junior suite, sir.
junior suite. Okay, yeah, let's check it out. Obviously,
This one, sir, is our junior suite, sir.
it's already what?
Junior suite.
Oh, I thought you said it's already messy. Is there somebody in here?
So it has a one queen size bed, sir,
Okay,
and a table, sir, for two.
okay.
For dining, sir, and also it has a fridge bed, sir.
Got a refrigerator back there, a little
Sir,
place to
and
sit
It
down.
has a balcony,
Yeah,
seeing the 100 Islands, sir.
yep. Yeah, let's take a quick walk out here real fast. Oh wow, that's a big one. Yeah, that's a really good size.
Our balcony, sir, is very spacious, and
Yeah.
you can have your breakfast here, sir.
Sure, sure. Sit out here.
The other your balcony is very
Yeah.
small.
Yep, this is really good size. You gonna put some like bamboo benches out here?
Yes, sir, soon, sir.
Yeah, be nice.
Bring out the table.
Sir, that's our logo if you want to show it.
Where is it?
Here.
What? Oh shit! Hold on, let me see if I can get out there. Yep, there it is.
Be careful, sir.
I'm good. There it is. Looking good. Yeah, I always said they needed to build a new hotel out here, and here we are.
We're here.
Yeah, you're here. We haven't been out here in a couple of years, so we haven't seen all the newest.
Ang lapit namin.
She's like, when are we gonna go out to LUCAP? We haven't been there for a while. We only live 2 kilometers down the road.
Before nilalakad lang namin dito.
Hey, ma'am, you already have a reason to go to LUCAP.
Yeah, come here and eat. Or a, oh wow, look at that. I like the brick. Yeah, I like this.
Accent of bricks, po, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. Looks very nice. So this is the junior suite.
Yes, sir.
And you come and stand in the corner and kind of do a little pan. Don't worry, you guys are handsome. You can make the video.
Yeah, you are.
You can make the cut. There we go. Yeah, very nice.
It's really nice.
And then wait, the CR, okay. And we got the,
I like the black.
The walnuts.
we can reserve a room and then come here and pretend we're like miles and miles and miles away from home, visiting.
Live our
Yes.
dogs there.
Yeah,
Meron
vis-
kaming apat na puppies.
We're pet friendly.
Oh, they are pet friendly hotel, ha?
They're not coming with us. They stay home.
With just a minimal charge
Yeah.
per pet.
We
But
can,
you can definitely
we
bring
can
it.
lang hide them here on New Year's night.
Yeah, right.
Yes, we will be
Yeah.
having events, sir, on New Year, Christmas, every day.
You can bring
Mother's
your
Day.
pet here, ma'am, because we have a employee din, ma'am.
We have a very big dogs.
Yeah, you're-
Rottweilers.
All your guests would run. All your guests would run home.
And then we have
Not good
one
for
Husky
business.
and one Japanese Spitz.
Kami ba meron po sa lobby? Andun
Yeah,
siya,
so this is-
Kai.
this-
Meron po kami employee.
Employee.
Like welcome.
Alright.
Oh, okay. Yung dalawa kasi namin, pag nakita nyo na ako, tatakbo kayo.
Malaki.
Well, there you have it. The junior suite at the PROXY. What is it? The PROXY.
Plus.
PROXY Plus. There you go.
Yeah, PROXY.
So we looked at the junior suite and the deluxe twin.
So far, that's our three categories of
Yeah.
Okay.
And also, sir, if you want to see our deluxe queen,
Ay, ito pa pala.
Sure, why not?
deluxe queen, sir.
Just like deluxe twin, pero queen po siya. One
Yeah,
queen,
let's-
six bed.
Can you get in there?
Yes,
Okay.
sir, sure.
Yeah, so now we're gonna look at the deluxe queen. That's usually what we get.
Ah, yes.
This is the deluxe queen, sir.
So the same CR, same bathroom.
Sir,
size, just
same size, but he has one queen size bed only, sir.
Okay, I'll be right there, but I'm looking at this light right here. I don't, what is this?
You can press this, sir.
Oh, is it the light?
Yes, sir. There's a light.
Ah, it caught my attention. I was like, what is that? It has a power symbol on there, so yeah, that's pretty cool. Never seen that. That's a new one for me. You see that, babe?
Meaning you need to explore.
Yeah, I haven't been out of the house enough.
You need to explore.
You have to explore more.
I know, right? Look at
So
that.
this room, sir, is perfect for couple too, sir.
Sure.
That is one king size bed.
We usually get like a deluxe queen when we go. Sometimes we'll do a suite
This one,
if the price is right. Okay. Oh,
That is
The back view, sir.
very nice.
And that is the B first rate of your official cinematic.
What is- yeah, what is-
the
Bureau of Fishery.
Oh, okay. I don't remember seeing that.
Because we never explore.
That they're carrying fish, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So they, sir.
Very cool.
That is where
Wow.
they have the
Fishes.
fishes,
Okay.
prawns, and everything.
So everything we see at the wet market comes through here, you think?
That is where they do. They
Yeah.
have
They
and
do
then
their research.
They do
Oh,
the research.
okay, okay. It's not part of a college or university or anything, right?
If you are in a college of fishery, then you can go.
Okay,
You
gotcha.
Do, you do your research.
Very nice. Cool. That looks like an old hotel right there. Hold on. Anyways, yeah, pretty cool. Very nice.
May mga hotel na walang ganun.
Opo, dito ma'am.
So
Sa amin po.
you can eat at the restaurant without having a room
Yes,
reserved,
sir,
right?
that's correct. You
Okay.
just walk in. Everything is open for walk-ins.
Okay.
The pool, the coffee shop, the restaurant, the spa.
Oh,
the
really?
gym.
Wow. Even the pool, huh? What about the jacuzzi? That's what I'm interested in.
Yes.
Wow.
If you avail the infinity pool, the jacuzzi,
So if you want to come here and spend the afternoon sitting in the jacuzzi,
you may.
what am I looking at? About 500,000? 2,000?
The fee?
Yeah, what do you
Just
think?
500.
Huh?
500 pesos.
Oh, really? For how long? For the day?
For the 4 hours.
4 hours. Oh, that's enough. I wouldn't be here much more than that anyways.
So kasama na po yung infinity pool and then the jacuzzi. So either.
So you can switch back and forth. So, okay, so for 4 hours, 500 pesos gets you the pool access, jacuzzi access, and gym when it's completed? No?
No, sir.
Separate.
That's a separate.
That's a separate, okay. So the pool and the jacuzzi mostly. For
And
five.
you can order drinks first, sir, in our pool bar, sir.
Pool
We
bar.
have
That's-
pool bar, sir.
Or food at the
We
restaurant.
serve mocktails, cocktails there, sir.
Really?
Yes, we
500 pesos, 4 hours, you got full access to the pool and the jacuzzi. I'd say that's worth it. On a hot day like today? If you just want to sit in the jacuzzi? Yeah, heck yeah. I'd do it.
Pastries.
Oh, I'm sorry, is that 500 per person or per couple?
person, per
person, okay. Still. I would,
Still,
yeah,
it's
I
a
would-
good
price.
very
yeah,
affordable.
I would say so. And then after you're done lounging in the pool or jacuzzi all afternoon, then you go inside the restaurant and have dinner, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. We got the whole day planned already. Very nice.
You will see us.
The bonus, sir, is this, the beautiful scenic of the 100 Islands, sir.
Sure.
Just right here.
Very beautiful, huh?
Look at the pilgrimage hand over there.
With the Jesus, yeah. And Governor's is to the right. I can't.
Behind the government.
Governor's. Yeah, usually the first island you go to is the pilgrimage, and you had to hike all the way to the top.
1,500 steps, sir.
I've done it many times. Getting ready to do
It
it.
has a shortcut, too, sir.
Huh?
It has a shortcut, sir. 150 steps, sir.
Yeah, going to the right is the long way.
And the left, sir, is shortcut.
It's like straight up. Yeah. Usually,
Kami nung last time
Yeah.
I remember when we go up there, we do the shortcut.
We take the, well, I think the first time we took the long way up and then took the short way down, right? Something like that.
kayong shortcut na po?
Oh, the shortcut kami.
I like the long way.
Yeah, me too. You have to do the challenge.
Yeah. Okay, so here's the jacuzzi, guys. I would say this is the place to be right here. For sure. And then you got a little patio terrace out here. Or...
This is the mayor's suite, sir.
Oh, still part of the mayor's suite.
Yes.
Still under construction.
Yes, sir. Not
Wow, look
yet.
at that.
Soon, sir.
Wow. So this is one. Only one unit.
Only one room. From there to
Jeez, look at that. So what do you think? This is going to be a bedroom area?
yes, sir. And then the porch.
A porch? Terrace porch, whatever. That'll be nice. So if you're in the mayor's suite, people can still come into the jacuzzi, no problem?
Yes, sir. Since this is open to everyone.
Right.
But this is closed, sir. So they cannot disturb.
Okay. Oh, so it's all walled
Since
in?
the door is here. And then you have
Oh,
the,
okay.
this is where.
Okay. That's pretty neat. I'd like to see this when it's finished.
So, sir.
Yeah, that'll be nice. Awesome. Okay. Hang there.
For me or look for the door.
You want to eat?
Just try.
You can try it. Yeah, we can, if you want, hon. It's up to you. What is it? Which one do you like?
You want classic ensaymada or
Huh?
what do you want? This
Oh boy, I don't know.
Coffee
What?
cake is good.
Is it?
This one is mango shortcake.
Shortcake.
Ooh. We'll try one of each.
Huh? You
Look
want-
at that.
I don't know.
Coffee cake? That looks really
Coffee
good.
cake.
I would like that.
You want?
Sure.
And I want mango.
Okay. Do it, babe.
You want drink?
Water. I'm thirsty. Let's snoop around a little bit around here.
This is the elevator, sir. This is the back office.
This isn't. Wait.
This is a function room, sir. I show you.
Oh, okay.
If in case you have meetings, like around 30 persons, you
Okay.
can assist them.
Conference room.
This morning,
Oh, yeah.
this area was used for a mass
Sure.
chapel.
How about that?
In case you have birthday parties, a short gathering, small gatherings, and
Yep.
you could have it.
Awesome. Very nice. And then you can empty out these chairs and
Of
then
course.
make it
According to
a,
your layout. Like if
Sure.
you want round tables,
whatever your event is.
Yes.
Yeah. Right. You could do a reception in there or whatever. Yeah. Cool.
that's a bigger hall, but we use it now for storage. So
Yeah.
you know.
Nice. Okay. And then what, more rooms back there?
That's
Bathrooms.
comfort room. Sure, sir.
Bathrooms.
Bathroom. But currently this is not yet available because we're still trying to fix something.
Yeah. Getting everything. Oh, wow. Yeah. Very cool.
Then that's the back.
Hi. Hello. Very nice. People are like, oh God, I wasn't expecting a camera to be.
Hope you enjoyed your
Yes,
short
Pat.
tour.
Yes, Pat. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And we got the elevators back in there. Okay, that about does it then. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Pat, it was a pleasure.
It was a pleasure. Mr.
Jory, it was a pleasure. Thank you, ladies. Appreciate it. Is that it?
Yeah, we can sit here.
So the Proxy Plus. Yeah, we'll just sit over there. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. We weren't expecting to do this one, but there you have it, Proxy Plus.
Sit here?
Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Well, that was fun. I want to thank Pat and I want to thank Jory for taking us on a tour of the Proxy Plus Hotel there in LUCAP WHARF, Alaminos City. I hope everybody enjoyed watching the video. Looks like a real nice place. I intend to go check out the food here real soon. My wife and I are going to go probably do their buffet, see how that goes, and then who knows, maybe get a room there one of these times when we have some out-of-town family visitors come in. So I don't know, we'll see. But the Proxy Plus Hotel, it's a 4-star place. Once again, it looks great. The jacuzzi I really like. I want to get over there and sit in that for a while. And yeah, thanks a lot, Jory. Thanks a lot, Pat, and the rest of the crew there at Proxy Plus. Wish you most success, and I hope you had a really nice Easter today. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. It was a pleasure meeting you all, and we hope to see you again soon. All right, take care, guys. Bye-bye.